Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and create a Geenie account using your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, go to your Play or App Store and search for Geenie app, and then from here you want to click on Geenie, and to make sure you got the right app you want to click on Geenie. That's got over 81,000 reviews and over 5 million downloads for the time of recording. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and open up the app, and then from here you want to accept the user agreement privacy policy. You can have a read of that. And now from here, if you already got an account, click on login. If you haven't, go ahead and click on register, which I'm going to do. And now choose your country of origin. I'm in Australia, so I want to keep it Australia, and I'm going to put in my email, so tutorial whiz. And now I'm going to click on get verification code, and now I'm going to go to my emails. Now I'm inside my emails, and it will say Geenie registration verification code as the subject. And now that's my verification code. I'm going to click and hold it, and then I'm going to copy, and now I'm going to head back here, paste the code in, and now from here you need to set a password, make it strong enough so you can remember it as well. Then click done, and now it says here to provide you with a better service we request the following permissions. So service maintenance and improvement activity and personalized recommendations, you can have them ticked if you want to. I'm just going to leave it like that, and then click on go to app. And now from here you have created your Geenie account on your mobile device.